Good morning, everybody. It's Stuart here from Hot Forex with our European market update. It's Friday, the 11th of January, and it should be payday for the US government employees today. 850,000 of them are not getting paid today, so that is really, starting to underpin or undermine markets general sentiment. So we're into the 20th day. It runs over the weekend, where it will end up as the longest US government shutdown in history. So pressure or political pressure mounting really on the president, but more on that later on as the day unwinds. I've started with the pound this morning. Cable here moved down yesterday, failed move up at 6 o'clock yesterday. It's sort of come back down. We're here at this 127.42 level now, triggered lower in the last hour here at 10 o'clock. It's crossed there, the moving averages, and we've moved lower there, 127. Support is really down here at S1 and the 200 period here on the 1 hour chart at 127.15 zone. Bottom of the Bollinger Band's a wee bit higher at 127.20 zone. So pound under pressure this morning, and it's moved down there as we speak. Euro, really we've had a weaker dollar overnight on the comments out of Powell talking about patience. Clarida, his vice governor, also talked about patience as well. So that's the main theme coming out of the Fed. And as far as the futures markets are concerned, expectations for rate rises now are down to zero. That's the shortest position out on the CME futures market is zero rate rises for 2019. It seems a bit harsh. From 4 last year to 0 up for 2019. Seems a wee bit harsh for me at the moment, but we'll see. So definitely a slowing and a cooling in the US economy as far as the market forward advice is concerned, or predictions are concerned. So anyway, Euro here over its pivot point at 115.17. So it's holding that key 115 level. First resistance today is 115.50. A wee bit before that is actually 15.42 zone. Climbs resistance, so it's ticked up a wee bit Euro this morning on the weaker dollar. You see that rallied overnight. Big mover overnight was actually the New Zealand dollar, and the Aussie dollar also improved. Aussie here up on good retail sales. I haven't got the New Zealand here to show you, but both antipodean currencies were up and holding. Aussie here is holding the 72 level. It's at 72.10 at the moment. And key support here at 72.05, and then obviously the big psychological 72 itself. Yen continues to obviously get a bid. Really, we're holding 108 at the moment, so 108.30 for yen this morning. Gone a bit sideways overnight. Support here at 108. It's at 25, and big. So that's a pivot point. Sorry, and support is 107.95. So a key little zone there of support. Tipping a wee bit down at the moment, but not quite clear where the yen's going. I say this morning, if you come back to pound, this morning it's all about GDP out the UK and some construction and manufacturing data as well. So pound slipping, that's out in about an hour. So pound moving down currently on that. If we look at the more significant, not more significant, but the weaker pound against the yen here. Again, it's under its pivot point at 137.99. So we're under the psychological 138.00 for the guppy. Haven't gone sideways again overnight. So downward pressure before the data comes out. This afternoon, it's all about inflation, CPI out of the US, but more on that this afternoon. That's a real key data to watch. So watch the UK this morning. Euro area's got some speeches as well this morning. So take care, and we'll see you this afternoon. All the very best. Bye bye.